How to make your Facebook profile private. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make your Facebook profile private. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device and log into your account. Now tap menu icon at top right and select your icon to access your settings section. Scroll down and under Tools and Resources choose Privacy Checkup. From here, you got different topics. You need to know that there is no single button in order to make your profile private. So you have to go through all these topics and adjust the privacy settings. Let's tap who can see what you share. And now you can easily make your profile information, posts and stories and blocking to private by setting only me. If you have set to public, you can choose public button next to any topic and set it to only me by tapping see more. Come back and do the same for each option. Once you have selected, tap the save button and come back. You can limit the past post as well by tapping on limit and tap the limit button. Now again tap the next button and you can block the users as well. Once you have followed this step, come to that section again and you can adjust all the information from here as well. Once you have done that, you can complete this process by clicking the next button. So your profile has become private now on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like it and visit our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.